Welcome to the future of driving. The 2026 Hyundai is here, blending cutting-edge technology with modern design, elevating your driving experience like never before. Visual. Close-up shots of the car's aerodynamic curves, the front grille, headlights, and wheels. Smooth transition showing the car from multiple angles. Narrator, voiceover. The all-new 2026 Hyundai has been meticulously crafted to make a bold statement on the road. With its aerodynamic silhouette, dynamic curves, and a signature front grille, this vehicle is designed not just to turn heads, but to set a new standard in automotive aesthetics. The sharp, LED headlights light up the path ahead, while the futuristic alloy wheels bring an element of sportiness and refinement to the car's overall look. Every line and every detail has been engineered for performance and style, ensuring that the 2026 Hyundai not only looks good but is built to perform. Visual. Transition to the car's interior, highlighting the spacious cabin, touchscreens, and ambient lighting. Narrator, voiceover. Step inside, and you'll find yourself immersed in a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with innovation. The 2026 Hyundai offers a spacious, high-tech interior designed for ultimate comfort. With premium materials and an intuitive dashboard, every journey feels first class. The large, customizable touchscreens put everything you need at your fingertips, whether it's navigation, entertainment, or vehicle controls. The ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for any drive, while the advanced climate control system ensures that no matter the weather, you're always comfortable. Visual. Footage of the car's AI system, voice commands, and dashboard tech in action. Narrator, voiceover. The 2026 Hyundai isn't just about looks, it's a technological marvel. Packed with advanced driver assistance systems, it comes with Hyundai's latest AI-powered infotainment system. This system adapts to your preferences, ensuring that your driving experience is intuitive and safe. From the moment you start the engine, the car is ready to assist. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, the Hyundai ensures a safer ride for you and your passengers. The AI-driven voice commands allow you to control everything from navigation to music with just your voice, making distractions a thing of the past. Visual. Footage of the car driving along winding roads, showing its performance capabilities, with scenes of the engine revving, smooth acceleration, and braking. Narrator, voiceover. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai is built for performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling a mountain pass, the car's refined engine delivers smooth, responsive acceleration with every press of the pedal. Fuel efficiency is at the heart of this vehicle. Thanks to Hyundai's hybrid and electric powertrain options, the 2026 Hyundai offers an eco-friendly drive that doesn't compromise on power or performance. It's the perfect balance of efficiency, power, and innovation, designed to keep you going further with fewer stops.